Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to play YouTube music on Discord. So the first thing that you will need to do is to open your web browser and then type out PancakeBot. Okay, and then click on the search icon and then click on this link. Then click on invite bot. That's right. And then select your server and then click on continue. So make sure to enable all of this and then click on submit. Then click on I am human. Just wait and then now you'll then just have to open your Discord. Okay, and then click on your server and let's enable this one. That's right. And then use the type out box. Then type out P exclamation join and then click on enter. That's right. And then type out P exclamation space and then play. Okay, so now let's go to YouTube and then copy the title of the music that you want to play or you want to listen to. So this one, so just copy this one. Then let's go back to the Discord and then paste it here. Okay, so right after that, just click on enter. And right after that, you would be able to listen to the music or to the song that you like. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye.